Yo, what's up, traders? It's Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. Do a little market recap for the past 2 days here. And man, we absolutely smashed it on Monday. And then markets came to a straight standstill and became super difficult to trade the past 24 hours. And I think we're about to finally shake our way out of that for sure. A couple of setups that we're in our VIP group, I feel really, really good about. Swiss yen, Euro yen just took us out at entry in Euro Swiss. Pound New Zealand as well. Now this thing got stopped out last night, entered in right about here, and you can see on my indicator here that we were about to cross under, and we got a clear signal, and now market makers taking stops right there is pretty classic move. You can just see liquidity just being eaten out of the market right there, right? And just punching everybody out. And it really looks like we're about to make a move lower. But it's end of New York session, gonna wait it out. But I think this looks like a great trade. And we'll see how it plays out going into Asian. I think once this does turn around, it's going to be a huge play. Pound New Zealand's on my watch list. Swiss yen here, really loving the looks of this setup. We got a nice. We caught this trade on Monday. Just a great 80 pip trade in the bag. And man, I entered this short. What's great about this whole system that I'm using is I got short right here after we crossed, and then it was like 10 p.m. and I was trying to get out of just leaving trades overnight because I sleep way better, and you wake up in the morning like, oh, God, let me see what's going on here. So of course I closed the trade. I'm sure you all have had this experience. And then we dropped for a good 180 pips. Good Lord, right? So I think we're in the midst of a retracement and a bounce from that move. You can see here we have a clear line, direction, volumes shifting in a big way to the upside, and I think we're setting up for a big move higher. Right, we're sitting nicely on this little zone right here. But like I said, it's in a New York session. It's been a very range-bound day. And so I think that's about to shake loose in a big way going into tomorrow being Thursday. You can see dollar's looking a little weak up here, right? So this is the dollar index. We're looking like, I think we could see some potential dollar weakness coming into the market going into tomorrow. So keep your eyes out on that. We'll be trading that, and I'll be going over that on my with my accelerator mentoring students tomorrow. Euro Swiss is looking, looks like a great setup. Really like this. We're in this right now, holding in profit, and we have the 161.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is one of my favorite fib levels for targets as our take profit zone. We haven't completely crossed over here on the hourly, but man, this is looking like a great setup. And we've already, all the volume, you can see the volume shifting out on the momentum indicator. One more information on that. Click the link below to get started, by the way, but a clear direction, and you can see where the vertical line is, which is just below our entry on this pair. So super exciting stuff. I feel very good about this trade and confident, and stops are already at entry. So, oh, by the way, members of the accelerator group, my mentoring and funding group, to help you get funded, you get access to this indicator for free to show you the way and give you just that added bit of confidence to help you on your funded journey, right? So with that on top of my mentoring and guidance, so, and an amazing group of traders to trade with. So Swiss yen, we know where the downside is, you know, below this last candle wick for sure. But you know, where it's sitting at now, I feel really good about this trade, and just really hoping that, you know, some more moves come into the market. This was our trade from yesterday, which we got taken out at entry here. And this is our entry yesterday around 2 o'clock, trading this false breakout. This is where we entered, took out about take profit 40 pips in the bag, and then we're starting to retrace here. This is looking like we're going to go higher, so that really kind of paints a decent picture across the board for the yen pairs. But you know, CAD yen, the way we're looking volume wise, I would say kind of up in the air. Swiss yen, on the other hand, looking pretty solid. Euro yen, we were in this trade, we entered in on this 15-minute cross, tag 20 pips, and stops are now currently out of entry. And depending on, I would potentially consider re-entering that, especially if we stopped on this 161.8% retracement. The fibs with this indicator are just like a super, super good combo, and especially for targets as well. So Swiss yen and Euro Swiss, if you're in that trade, looking pretty solid. So that being said, tomorrow I think we'll get some more action in the market. It's finally starting to shape up now, surprisingly, at the end of the day. It goes that way sometimes, I guess. Yeah, so that being said, hope to see you in our VIP trading group. And even more so, if you want to get funded, this is life-changing stuff. It's the way to go, for sure. I mean, it's changed my life as a trader. It was definitely hard, if not impossible, to make a living doing this, just you know, working all week or for a month and then depositing a couple thousand into a trade account and then trying to flip it over and over and over again. It's kind of a recipe for disaster. So having somebody else's capital to trade with is the way to go. At least that's been my experience, and other people's as well. So that being said, it's going to be a big, big Thursday and Friday. I can feel it. Especially, I'll just mention gold real quick. We had an entry. We're about right back at our entry area, a little bit in between here. But depending on what happens with the dollar, with what I showed you in the dollar index, we also could be setting up for a bigger move in gold. But you know, guys, we got to break out of this range first for people that are asking me about gold before you can really get a clear decision about which way this market wants to go. So that being said, hope you have an awesome, awesome day. Spring's here, and it's time to just really get focused. And this is your opportunity to go to that next level if you want to. So click the link below, and I can't wait to see you in the group. Peace.